Hello dear students, welcome to the web portal of KirtiStudyCenter.com. I am Kirti Saxena, the director and the academic head of the institute. I welcome you all to the sessions which you are going to go throughout the year. My dear, you have crossed your 10th, but yes, this year is something different. कुछ लोगों को लग रहा है कि what about the exams, what about the things, but yes, now it is the time when you people have started making your mind that what subject you have to opt for your career. Yes, this is a very important decision that you people have to take at this particular point of time. I know very well, बहुत से लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि अभी से क्या करना है, किस तरीके से करना है, क्या जो मैं सब्जेक्ट ले रहा हूँ वो सही है या वो गलत है, या वो सब्जेक्ट मुझे किस तरीके से हेल्प करेगा, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मेरी चॉइस जाके कहीं गलत हो जाएगी. Yes, all these queries you people are having in your mind, my dear 11th. Yes, you people are going to fly into a new sky with your new dimensions, your new career opportunities. कुछ ड्रीम्स हैं हमारे, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिनको हमें देखना है, जिन चीज़ों को हमें पूरा करना है. पेरेंट्स के एस्पिरेशन, हमारे ड्रीम्स, n plenty of things. How do I do this when I am opting for a subject? So my dear, कॉमर्स को बिगिन करने के पहले, आई एम एन एक्सपर्ट इन द कॉमर्स सब्जेक्ट. सो कॉमर्स को बिगिन करने के पहले मैं आपको कुछ छोटी छोटी सी बातें बताऊंगी, जिन बातों को ध्यान में रख के आप अपने दिमाग में ये क्लियर कर पाएंगे कि क्या आपका करियर सिलेक्शन चॉइस या क्या जो सब्जेक्ट स्ट्रीम आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट किया है वो सही है या वो गलत है. राइट सबसे पहली चीज बेटा, हमेशा ये ध्यान में रखना है कि जब भी आप कोई भी सब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करते हैं, don't run after your friends, don't run after the opinion framed by your parents, right? Don't run after what is making an attraction to you. Run after your passion, run after your desire. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे 11th में है आप लोग, टीनेज आपका बहुत ज्यादा इस समय चरम सीमा पर है. बहुत आपके ऐसे ड्रीम्स हैं जिन ड्रीम्स को आप आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर नहीं कर पाते, जैसे मे बी अ ट्रिप टू लद्दाख विथ योर बाइक. Yes, maybe a world tour. So when you are going to select for your subject, you have to take care कि जो चीज मैं select कर रहा हूँ, क्या ये मुझे मेरे ड्रीम तक पहुंचाएगा, क्या ये मेरा पैशन पूरा करेगा, क्या ये वही चीज है जिस चीज के लिए मैं बचपन से सोच रहा हूं कि यस, when I will be something, I will be doing this. On this motive depends your subject selection. And many of you at this particular point of time, when we are already running on 10th of June, many of you have already decided that what subject you have to opt for, right? So some of you have determined for the commerce, some of you have determined for humanities, some of you have determined for the science stream. Whatever stream you have selected, my dear, you people are balanced, you people are at equity. Neither of the subject is greater, neither of the subject is at a lower cadre. अधिकतर करके लोगों को ऐसा दिमाग में आता है कि यार मैंने ह्यूमैनिटीज ले लिया तो नाउ व्हाट, कॉमर्स ले लिया तो अब क्या मेरे पास कोई करियर ऑप्शंस नहीं बचे हैं, साइंस लिया तो क्या इसके बाद मेरे को सिर्फ इंजीनियर बनना है, एंड प्लेंटी ऑफ थिंग्स. वेदर साइंस पीपल आर मोर हायर देन मी, कुछ के अंदर इंफीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स आता है, कुछ पेरेंट्स के मन में भी आता है कि अगर मेरे बच्चे ने कॉमर्स लिया है तो उसके साथ क्या होगा, क्या करेगा वो आगे. Yes, these are the things that you people might be going across through. बहुत सारे आप में से ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिन लोगों के दिमाग में ये क्यूरी है कि यार मैंने कॉमर्स लिया है, now what next, what I have to do. Yes, all these things will be getting solved when you will be connecting with us, right? Over here, we are going to guide you related to each and every subject. Specifically, yes, commerce, no doubt, is my stream. I am taking care of the commerce, all the three subjects. That is all the three subjects I'm going to introduce you further, right? And the humanities, right? So both the subjects are the expertise level of this particular portal. Science stream is equally. It's equally very important. So my dear, चाहे साइंस लिया है, कॉमर्स लिया है, ह्यूमैनिटीज लिया है, आप इक्वल प्लेटफॉर्म है, आपके बिना इकोनॉमी नहीं चल सकती. Whatever subject you are opting, my dear, remember, don't run after the bloody completion of the syllabus. Don't run after ki I have to fetch this. No, I have to fulfill my dreams. At the year of 30, what will be my investments? What I am going to earn, what I am going to return my back. Does money really grows on the trees? Yes, it does. Yes, it does goes on trees. पैसा पेड़ पे उगता है. If you are channelized towards your career, if you are channelized towards your dreams, if you are channelized towards each and everything step by step, you can make money grow on trees. The investments that you people are going to channelize, Warren Buffett has very rightly said, क्योंकि अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं तो अब कुछ किताबें तो हमको पढ़नी पड़ेगी, मन करे या ना करे, पर पढ़नी पड़ेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि ये वो नॉलेज है जो आपको मार्केट में खड़ा करेगी. कॉमर्स, आफ्टर अचीविंग 90% you will be having a very good result. Will it be making you capable to stand still in the market confidently, where anybody can contact to you, anybody can meet you, you can answer to every question? For that, additional stuff is also needed, right? Additional reading, knowledge of current affairs, and being active. It's very important when you are making your career choices, right? Warren Buffett in his book has very rightly said कि as soon as we start earning, हम लोग सबसे बड़ी गलती क्या करते हैं? पहली सैलरी मिलेगी क्या करेंगे बॉस? Party, obviously. No, Warren Buffett says wait. First salary, investment. पहला काम हमें करना है इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ हमें आगे बढ़ना है. करियर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैंने कॉमर्स ले लिया, मेरे 90% बन गए और मेरी लाइफ सेट है. मैंने ह्यूमैनिटीज ले लिया, मैंने यूपीएससी क्लियर कर लिया, मेरी लाइफ सेट है. मैंने साइंस ले लिया, आई एम एन इंजीनियर, आई एम डूइंग गैट एंड ऑल दिस एंड माय लाइफ इज सेट. नो, this career demands plenty more of things that you people are waiting for. It's the high time, my dear. Start discussing your dreams, start discussing your desire before we begin into the completion of the syllabus. Because syllabus completion is my duty, no doubt about it. When you will be joining me, I will be giving you all the details कि कितने modules होंगे, कैसे हम course complete करेंगे, क्योंकि इस साल हमें लॉकडाउन में 15th of August तक हम लोगों को सबको ऑनलाइन ही पढ़ना है. And yes, my dear, this is needed for the safety of us. Our health, our life is very precious. ये सब चीजें हमारे लिए needed हैं. इन सब चीजों को देखते हुए ऑनलाइन क्लास is a good solution, no doubt about that. The world is changing. And so as are we. तो what's the big issue? Online notes कैसे बनाने हैं, कैसे मुझे PDF से पढ़ना है, how I am going to score well. Everything you will be getting through the portal. I will be discussing in the next lecture कि किस तरीके से आपको ये सारी चीजें मिलेगा. आज की डेट में हम ये देखेंगे कि अगर मैंने कॉमर्स लिया है तो क्या मैंने गलती करी है, क्या मैंने सही करा है. My dear, the time is to examine yourself. What you want exactly. Discuss your desires, discuss your dreams, discuss your passions with your family members, with your teachers, with your mentors. And here at the portal as well, you can place up all your questions related to the queries you are having. How do I select my career? How do I opt for a good choice? Because my dear, एक बार passion को follow किया, फिर जो भी चॉइस आपने लिया है, यू आर गोइंग टू थ्रो मिरेकल्स लाइक एनीथिंग. इट ओनली डिपेंड्स ऑन माय choice. Yes, my choice over here is very important, and as because many of you today has decided that they are going to take commerce as their optional, as their mainstream for their career, so I welcome you all to this particular and wonderful subject in your journey of life. Because yes, the knowledge that you are going to get in the commerce is going to change your life like anything. You will be studying variety of flavors, variety of things, each and everything that is going to give you an insight into what you can do when you are having commerce in your hands. You're having the key to your success. You're having the investments. You're having each and everything. The world today is moving कि 30 साल में बॉस रिटायरमेंट प्लान कर लो. And yes, you can do that. Imagine करो 60 साल तक पहले मर के कमाना है, फिर मर मर के कमा के सोचना है कि अब मुझे यहाँ घूमने जाना है, or I have to plan my retirement at the age of my 30 when I'm full at my bank balance. I have to roam the world. I have to see the beautiful places in India. I have to see the beautiful places out of the world. वो skydiving, parasailing, scuba diving, each and everything. क्या मैं 60 साल के बाद करूँगा? No. I'm going to do this at this very age when my selection, when my career choice, when my subject selection is absolutely perfect and I am putting on the doubts. When it comes to the doubt as a teacher, many of us thinks कि doubt मतलब आप एक टीचर से एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, मैम अकाउंट्स में ये क्या होगा, बिजनेस में क्या होगा, इकोनॉमिक्स में क्या होगा. No, you can put up each and everything. मैम मेरे को ये करना है, मैं यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचूंगा. Imagine the passion of that person who's signing the notes of the country's currency, the governor of the RBI. What a pleasure, my dear. आपके signature से economy में currency चलती है. What a dream that person might be having to grab that particular position. ये dream हम एक दिन में नहीं देखते. ये यहाँ से आता है जब एक बच्चा अपना पैशन डिस्कस करता है, अपने डिजायर्स डिस्कस करता है. एंड सो व्हेन यू आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर कॉमर्स, आई हैव गिवन यू सम ऑफ द ग्लिम्पसेस कि क्या मिरेकल्स आप लोग कर सकते हैं. Commerce is not only about being a chartered accountant, it's not only being a company secretary, or it's not only being the cost and work accountant. It's much more. You can be an event manager. The world is moving on that. Plenty. 1 year birthday celebration, 25th anniversary celebration, 50th anniversary celebration. It's just taking its hike. What miracles you can do in the industry. बाहुबली मूवी में टिश्यू पेपर का पूरा झरना. Yes, personals are working. ये भी careers हैं आपके. These are the options that you can go on for after selecting a good and appropriate subject by having the basics knowledge. Here at my portal, you will be getting the solution to all such queries that can drive you towards your passion. After this, I'm going to continue myself with the commerce specifically. कि क्या है commerce, right? Commerce is a particular subject that gives you an insight, a deep insight into how the economy runs. किस तरीके से पैसा ऊपर नीचे होता है, किस तरीके से जीडीपी से हम चीजें काउंट करते हैं. जीडीपी इज अ हाई टर्म आई हैव यूज्ड राइट नाउ. किस तरीके से गवर्नमेंट काम करता है, डिसाइड करता है मुझे क्या करना है. लॉकडाउन में इकोनॉमी को कैसे संभाला जा रहा है. बिजनेस, look towards the business, my dear. The companies have started manufacturing masks with their logos. They've started manufacturing the mask with भीम, छोटा भीम, ताकि बच्चे उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो सके. Creativity, innovation. Commerce makes you free for all your creativities, all your innovations. The idea that strikes in the mind comes down when you are taking the help of the commerce. In this particular part of the commerce, we are going to study 3 major subjects. These 3 major subjects will account for the whole module of commerce, which comprises of the first subject that is called as accountancy. We are very expert. There is no need of getting feared with all these things ki ye padhna hai, ye padhna hai, ye padhna hai. No, be very normal. Accounts you perform in your daily life. We are very expert in making the calculations. इससे इतना लेना है, ये करना है, ये प्रॉफिट एंड यस कैसे पॉकेट मनी बचा के इंटरनेट रिचार्ज करवाना है, किस तरीके से काम करना है. We all are expert enough. Just we need to pin down with some system is accountancy. And then we will be learning how many types of businesses are there. How this economy rules out. एक छोटे से पान और परचून की दुकान से लेकर एक बड़ा हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड जैसी कंपनीज कैसे एस्टैब्लिश होती हैं, सीईओस कैसे बनते हैं, स्टार्टअप इंडिया, मेकअप इंडिया, दीनदयाल विकास कौशल विकास योजना, एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. हाउ दे आर वर्किंग फॉर मी. ये बिजनेस कैसे चलता है, क्या होता है ये business is the second subject that you people are going to study, called in business studies, right? Third is the economics, right? Is the basic scenario. बॉस दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है, सरकार के पास प्रिंटिंग मशीन है, पैसा क्यों नहीं छाप देती? गरीबी क्यों है? क्यों महंगाई इतनी है? क्यों हम लोगों को उतना पैसा नहीं दे देते जितना लोगों को चाहिए? Why such things happen? How these prices are being demanded? कि ये कोलगेट 25 रुपए का मिलेगा, ये कुरकुरे 10 रुपए का मिलेगा. How do we decide this? How does a producer comes to know? उसे कैसे पता पड़ता है? डैम गूगल को कैसे पता है मैं क्या सर्च करने वाला हूं? How these things are being regulated in an economy is what is economics all about. Three of them are so fascinating, so wonderful, that keeps you alive at the toes. But having the curious. अगर monotonous हो गए, स्कूल जाना है, कंप्लीट करना है सिलेबस, 90% के पीछे दौड़ना है, तो you're not going to have the flavor. To take the flavor, you have to be active in commerce. Being extroverts, we are never about introvert. अगर हम चुप रहेंगे तो लोग मार्केट नहीं करेंगे चीजों का. If commercials are not going to speak, we are not going to do anything. अगर एक पंखा बेचने वाला आए और खड़ा हो जाए, no, he has to have that skill to sell themselves. एक माना, एक इंजन बनाया एक इंजीनियर ने, पर उस मशीन को हमारे घर तक पहुंचाया है एक कमर्शियल ने. एक कमर्शियल ने जो मार्केट करता है, जो चीजों के बारे में बताता है, जिसका फ्लेवर, द डिजाइन, दैट पैशन जो वो बताता है, ताकि हम उस चीज को खरीदने के लिए इन्वोक होते हैं. रोलेक्स की घड़ी, why it is that much, you can say the dream. That bike, that road trip to Ladakh, the way they feature the things is what is important. So being extrovert is our style. Our style is something like that can make anybody to take the challenge up कि boss इससे तो कुछ भी चीज impossible नहीं है. If you are having that energy, if you are having that spirit, commerce is your world. It's your destiny, my dear, because you are destined for it. Your ideas, you are making innovative ideas, you are eager about how to make it patent, how to make the laws. Each and everything when you are destined to, yes, economics is all about this. How does the countries manage themselves? How do they work? ये सारी चीजें जब हम economics में पढ़ते हैं, we feel energetic. How this coronavirus is making market for some. How this coronavirus is developing an economy. Everything that we see all around us is being imbibed in all these three subjects of commerce. So, if you people are going to like this particular video, you are going to subscribe to this channel. Further, you will get the information that how we are going to cover the particular module, how we are going to cover the whole syllabus throughout the year. Syllabus, मेरी जिम्मेदारी, पढ़ना आपकी जिम्मेदारी. Syllabus कैसे complete होना है, क्या करना है, each and everything in the second video you will be getting through. If you will be subscribing to the channel, you will be getting the knowledge. How to register, how to take care, and how to take a wonderful drive to all the three subjects. And how you are going to make the things simpler. The only mantra we will be working is कि पढ़ाई यहाँ है. इसको दिमाग से करना है. भर दी कॉपी, खूब सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख दिए, lamely writing. Writing is good and all in, you are not scoring. Hell, why? आपके 90% आ रहे हैं, but when someone asks you a question, you are lame. What's that? No, that's not a career. That's not a subject justification. Subject justification requires that when I give you a rule for accountancy, you know how to apply it. When I tell you about a business, you know how to identify it. When I tell you about the economy, you know how to categorize it. This what will be given to you when you will be subscribing to this particular channel and when you will be registering towards the portal. This particular portal will be covering each and everything with the help of the module, the details of which I will be giving you in this session that are going to coming ahead. You will be having few of the demo lectures over here, and then after the registration process, you can make yourself very comfortable. Remember, my dear, good choices, right choices taken at right time. changes everything. Do not make any haste. It's June only. Normally the school starts in July. You are not at all late for starting your studies with commerce. You are pretty on time because your completion and your score is our responsibility. Your way is to memorize the things, right? So here we are going to sum up this particular session because एक दिन है, पहला दिन है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. समझो, today's assignment is work on your dreams. Syllabus part is mine. So when you will be talking about your dreams, when you will be talking about your passion, you will be feeling proud on your choice that you are a good commercian. And when we will be studying commerce together, there will be plenty of mind-taken things that is going to give you goosebumps, that is going to give you a mesmerizing journey on a good roller coaster drive. So I welcome you all to my channel. I welcome you all to my portal. Keep register and keep looking for the new channels. Whatever things you need to ask regarding the commerce subject, whatever things you need to ask regarding your career, you can give me on the comment section. Each and every doubt will be solved in the comment section for you people so that you can stay connected, you can feel the drive, you can feel the energy कि boss commerce लेके कोई गलती हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. Because we are going to drive the things to the craziest level where we will be a personality, where we will be someone who's going to do the things in such a manner that things become mirror clear. We will enjoy our life, we will enjoy the things, and we will score well. If your parents are having any doubts, they can put any question in the comment section regarding what career options you are having in the commerce. क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने के पहले, सिलेबस शुरू करने के पहले ये जानना जरूरी है कि जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्या वो मुझे कॉमर्स देगा. So this is a very beautiful and a very wonderful stream that you people are going to opt for. So those who have already framed up their mind to take up the commerce, I congratulate you all because you are going to be a good commercian. Those who are yet making up their mind, please make up and solve your queries so that you can do each and every wonderful event that you have planned for your career choices. So with this, I, Kirti Saxena, say goodbye for this module. Stay connected, stay happy, stay at home, and don't skip the learning part. Don't skip your passion. Live to the fullest with the stream that you have opted for your career. So my dear 11th, a very hearty welcome to all of you and a very big congratulations on the selection of the stream that you have made for you. Mind it, some choices are life choices. You have to think and then you have to decide. Thank you so much everyone. Keep smiling and stay healthy.